Hey YouTube, today we'll be unboxing the Graco Extend2Fit convertible car seat. It's in the Kinsey fashion color. Tape looks like it's on correctly, which is good. I do see the quality control. Made in China. Shipped out of the Georgia warehouse. So far, the box is looking pretty good. Sometimes you get big boxes with little standard protection plastic over it. Looks like it's pretty much plug and play. So if you do want to go ahead and insert this into your car, just make sure that you read the instructions first or watch another YouTube video before installing it. Something that we do like, it does come with these two cup holders. One for juice and one for milk, or one for water, once your baby is able to drink those. Importante, make sure that you do register your item. Never know what could happen, but it's always good to keep hold of this. Make sure that you take a picture after you register, just so you don't have any issues with customer support. It does come with a manual in, it looks like, 26 different languages, so whether you want to practice English, practice Japanese, German, it does have whatever language that you want to speak. Alright, so that concludes today's first video of just unboxing the Graco. Next video will be us inserting it into the car seat in the car. Take care.